Today we're drawing another scary monster face. Hopefully you enjoy this one as well. I'm going to be using this. Halloween is basically kind of come back around, and I'm super excited to be posting videos again. I'm going to post a lot of videos, all right? Do me a huge favor and press like if you're big on the Halloween stuff again. I'm going to try to add more detail to the videos as Halloween approaches. But right now we are in August, at least as far as recording this video. And I am going to just slowly get the ball rolling by posting again. So thank you. Like I said, share the video to spread the Halloween spirit. That would really help. All right, let's go do this. So let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a creepy smile right here. So line on this side, line on this side. I'm using this, by the way, Acrylic brand marker. You can use anything you want. Go line, let me see, draw a line down here, down here. And I'm going to pull across to these two. Right on. Down here. Down here. And I'm also going to connect these as well. Cool. So, next thing we do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to zigzag this line right here to find the teeth line. And that's mostly as a guidance, right? Most people will stop at this step. We're just drawing zigzag right here. Triangles, that's it. That's what most people would stop at, but we're going to keep that going. And I'll tell you that in a second. Wait, let me change markers. This marker's kind of dry. Ugh, so many of my markers are dry. I need to buy new ones. I don't know. I don't have the money. So then I'm going to go over here and draw a circle here for one eye. Try this with a marker. And I'm going to draw kind of a screwed up version, like he's got like a tick or something. And he's got like a flinch, or something like that. Line over here. Line over here. Oops, daisy. Drawing some lines on the outside of that to make it like squinty, like it's just a little bit more detail. A little bit more squinty there. And what I'm going to do as far as the detail I was talking about was I'm going to go in and draw every one of those teeth. So right here, that's one, right? 2, 3, 4. I'm going to split that into 2 right there because I want it to vary the size of the teeth. The only reason I did that before was I wanted to kind of line out like my framework for where they're going to be placed. I don't want to have this all the way back. It's going to round the corner, so at some point you're not going to see it. So right here as well, I'm going to go over here and fill that in. All right, go over here. Over here as well, just kind of separating up those teeth. I'm trying to get those teeth relatively small because I want to look like it's biting things up. Like if you ever seen that movie Critters, they have like teeth like that. I gotta draw a critter on here. I don't think I've drawn a critter. Critter is a really cool. I want to say it's kind of semi-classic, cult classic monster. Now I'm gonna draw it like going into the gum line right there as well. So see how I'm doing that? It looks like it's going into the gum. I'm drawing that gum line. That's what I mean by go detailed. But it's easy to go detailed on teeth, in my opinion. Because you know, it's just kind of simple. It's just kind of simple to go in there with that stuff. And you can kind of, yeah, let me see, I'm trying to do, and this is fun, honestly. You can go, it's weird how detailed you can make it and not really even know what you're doing. Like, it's just kind of, it's not hard. It's really, really simple. Right on. And you can go into more detail on the outside right here, so the mouth would open up and have this little kind of lip going on. Lip over here as well. Line over here. Line over here. I like making thicker lines, and then the little more detailed lines will be thinner. I'm pushing down less, right? Kind of the scrunchiness on the side of the smile here can really make it look uh, very real when you do something like that. I don't know about real, but very detailed, let's say. Not real. Obviously, this is cartoony. Um, but it's convincing. I would say that's a better way of saying it. It's a convincing smile, and the more you do it, the creepier it looks. The more little details, but you can't put so many details that it'll destroy it. But you'd be surprised how many details you can do to make this really like weird. You know, if you look at stuff like Tim Burton stuff, that stuff is very, very detailed while being extremely cartoony. And I want to draw some more of those designs, like Beetlejuice and stuff like that. I would love to start drawing those. Anyways, that is it. That's a creepy smile. If you liked it, do me a huge favor and share the video. I want to share the video to bring the Halloween spirit. Like, I want to feel, I'll be honest, so this is my main motive, is to feel the Halloween spirit way before the Halloween. And I want to feel it the whole time so the season lasts for a long time. Kind of like, Christmas, you can feel that the whole month. With Halloween, I don't feel that. Sometimes you can kind of feel it like for like 2 weeks beforehand, maybe. But I want to feel it like 2 months out. So that's kind of what I want to do. And sharing Halloween videos is a part of that. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I will see you next time. If you like the creepy smile, like I said, don't forget to hit that like. And don't forget to share. Right below the window, you're going to see a share button, and it auto shares to Facebook or Twitter or Reddit or whatever it is that you're, Pinterest, whatever you're logged into otherwise. And it will share it easily, and it brings back this huge momentum to the channel. You have no idea. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and we'll hang out soon, okay? Don't forget, if you're hearing this now, check out the stuff in the description as well. There's a lot of stuff there that will make you a better artist, for reals. Talk to you later.